2000 Suzuki 800 Intruder. And that bike starts up good. It's a solid feeling bike. Very smooth. A great like entry level bike that's not too small. Big following for these bikes. A lot of people just love them. And I can see why. It's a fun bike. It's got great power. You'll have no problem cruising on the highway. I mean, if everyone's going like 75, 80, you might feel a little bogged down, but just like 55, 60, you'll have no problem doing that. It's got the power to maintain that all day long, and it's not like stressing, not like a little Rebel where you're just gonna be topped out the whole time. It is on the smaller side in terms of like frame and stuff, but I don't feel like too cramped. This particular Intruder is pretty nice and quiet. Clutch feels good. It's not slipping in any gears or anything like that.